In this video, I will show you how to see your friend's location on Snapchat. First, open your Snapchat app and you'll land on the camera screen. Tap on the location icon. This will open the Snap Map. If it's your first time using it, Snapchat will ask for location access. Tap on Allow, and if needed, go to your phone settings and change location permissions from Never to while using the app. Once done, return to Snapchat and review your privacy settings. You can choose My Friends Accept, or Only These Friends to control who can see your location. On the map, you'll see your own Bitmoji avatar and can look around to find your friends' Bitmojis. Tap on their Bitmoji to see their location, as long as they've shared it with you. Remember, sharing your location can be fun, but always prioritize your privacy. If you ever feel uncomfortable, turn on ghost mode to hide your location from everyone. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.